Spot on prediction last week, I told you that 12,500 600 zone is going to be a pretty strong resistance for US 100. This precisely has happened. With that, US 100 has crashed again. In fact, has achieved the lows at around 11,500. Now what is going to happen next week, we will try to see again with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Those who are new, let me share that I provide my daily analysis on Nasdaq 100, one with the Asia session and one with the US gas session. So daily twice a day, and also I share my analysis on major global markets and commodities including gold, silver, oil, natural gas and index including Dow Jones, FTSE 100, Germany 40 and India. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Also recall my 4 months back analysis when I told very clearly, it was around January or February when Nasdaq 100 was trading at 1600, that Nasdaq 100 will definitely try to achieve this zone at 11,000 to 12,000 levels. This is quite an open field for it to drop. Precisely it has come back to this levels again, 11,500 achieved. Now what is going to happen, let's have a look into detail of it. So this is the 7th consecutive red candle, and almost in these 7 weeks we have seen almost Nasdaq 100 correcting more than 22%. Now look at the previous two candles here, lower highs, lower lows, and it is again trying to create this flow where the downside is still open and a reversal confirmation. Maybe it is only going to be beyond once it trades about 12,300. So once it trades about 12,300, you can take a long entry. Then the resistance is at 12,600, and then beyond that it will try to fly till towards 2,300. That is going to be considered as a reversal, and beyond that we can see it rising again in coming weeks. However, I am yet again saying the downside is still open for US 100, and as I said that this is after this smaller candle. See, first of all, look at the charts here, almost forming double top. After this was the breakout, and this is the second red candle. So yes, probably there is still lot much for it to drop. However, we'll see with the help of indicators which are trading oversold on the weekly and daily charts, and probably we may see a little reversal. However, next week, look at this. On the weekly charts you can find that when I told few months back that it is going to come back here, there is a stronger support for it at around 11,000 levels. So there is a stronger probability for it to drop at around 11,000 levels, try to consolidate here a little bit for couple of weeks, and between 11,000 to 12,000, and then reverse a bit. How high it can go, if it tries to retrace, it can try to come back till towards 13,000 levels, which are going to be again the highs before it looks forward to any further drop. So yes, it is trying to trade in this channel. This is a downward trending channel, and it is the bottom. If you see, bottom are somewhere also at around 11,000 levels. So I will be watchful of these levels. 11,000 levels, yes, can be achieved, which are going to be very strong support zone, which is going to be very strong support for Nasdaq 100. And if it continues to trade below this, the lows at around 9,500 are going to be there, but I will be skeptical of that to happen in a week, and I'll expect it to consolidate between 11,000 and 12,000 for a little while. Now let's come back to the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find, see, this was the retracement, highs have been done here, double top achieved, and precisely these are the levels I told you, 12,600, which are going to be the stronger resistance. Now look at this on the daily charts, also similar formation is here. Now just ignore this last candle, error candle, replica candle for today, as markets are not there. Now look at this, the previous two candles, double top and a bottom, the lows are very much in sync here. So yes, a reversal confirmation or long entry is only beyond 12,100, that is very much there. But yes, the next candle, see, the previous candle ended with a smaller body and a bigger tail and a red body there. So if it opens below this, if it opens below 11,800, yes, you can go short below 11,800. Again, one can expect that it may try to go back till towards 11,400, and then in fact below 11,400, 11,000 levels can be expected next week itself. So this is what is the expectation. The reversal confirmation, only long entry I will recommend is about 12,100 levels. Once you see it about 12,100, rather, yes, you can go at long at around 12,000 levels also, but 12,100 is going to be the larger resistance which it might face. We have seen already the daily chart or weekly charts. The weekly charts reversal confirmation is at around 12,300 on the daily charts. Yes, you can go long at 11,900. Then you can expect 12. I will say not 11,900, but I'll say go long at 12,000. Beyond that, 12,100 is the first reversal confirmation on the daily charts. If it breaks beyond, you can expect 12,300, and if it breaks beyond 12,300, we can expect a sharper rise. But look at the monthly candle. What does the monthly candle suggest? See, the previous body size was from 15,000 to 13,000, 2,000 points. Now it is starting from 13,000. Already it has achieved 11,500. Yes, it has a scope for it to drop till towards 11,000, around 2,000 points, similar size of body candle, and it will complete this journey also. So there is a probability that it may try to touch 11,000 levels, and in fact can drop below before it tries to bounce back. So I will be looking forward to a drop, and a probably couple of days or maybe till midweek it may try to drop more before it looks forward to a bounce back. This is one of the expectation that might happen. And yes, the monthly charts can again see leaving a tail behind. It can again come back till towards till 12,000 or 11,800 towards the end of the week or by next week, because see the next week also there are couple of days, couple of trading days in the month of May which are going to happen next to next week, and that is why yes, it can rise again next to next week, coming back till towards 12,000 levels. So yes, this is what can. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggestive? So on the indicators, the 20 period moving average having will definitely give it a strong resistance at 12,600 levels. I told many a times these levels are going to provide a very strong resistance now for any upside move, and similarly for any upside move now also it is going to provide a stronger resistance. Now also look at the channels, and this is the Donchian channel and the Bollinger Bandit, which is giving almost the NASDAQ 100 is trading out of this and indicating that probably the bottom is here at around these levels. But yes, it can try to break once, and 11,400, 11,000 levels can be seen once before it tries to retrace back. Also look at this. This is what I was trying to say. Once the candle opens in red, probably we may see either creating higher lows and or in fact try to create higher lower lows, which might try to take it towards 11,400, 11,000 levels is possible before it looks forward to a rise there. Also see the previous two candles creating a double top, indicating that probably we may see it dropping more. Now look at the directional movement. It is wide divergent, indicating bearishness. The stochastic has still scope for it to drop and come back to lower sold levels. Maybe next couple of days till midweek we may see it continue to drop. The MACD is trading on a sell side but trading parallel, and yes, it can start to diverge with couple or more red candles there. RSI trading flat there. Now this is just on the daily charts, the indicators on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the weekly chart out there. On the weekly chart you will find that the resistance here about 12,000. See, it is trading below the 100 period moving average also. So 2 weeks moving average, 2 years moving average is right now at around 13,500 level. Also on the weekly charts, it is trading out of the Bollinger Bands and the Donchian channel, indicating more bearishness. However, it is trading at the bottom and hence reversal cannot be denied. See, the directional movement is widening and it is still bearish. And if you look at the stochastic, this is also oversold, hence a reversal has to be expected. The MACD is wide and divergent. It is more, it is diverging more. So yes, I'll be still skeptical till the time it trades below 12,300 and 12,600 levels. I'll be still skeptical of a rise there. Now look at the RSI on the weekly chart has again come back to oversold levels. So yes, if it continues to drop next week, probably towards the end it may try to rise. This is also going to be the monthly options expiry and the weekly expiry which is going to happen probably, which may try to reverse it a bit, and then next to next week it may start to continue to resume the rise there. Coming back to the monthly chart, on the monthly chart, yes, there is a stronger support at 11,000 levels which should not be taken. I think this is going to provide a stronger support, as we have seen on the monthly charts, multiple candles getting reversed from these levels. Below this 10,800 should provide a support, and below that yes, you can expect a drop. There is a resistance at 13,500 and 14,000 levels on the monthly charts if it continues to reverse. And yes, the MACD is wide and divergent, indicating strong bearishness. The stochastic, after trading for long, for months and years, it is traded in this overbought zone, and it is now trying to come back to oversold levels. It is still some room for it to continue to drop. Now look at the MACD, it is crossed over. This is the fourth red candle, and yes, the body has still some more room for it to drop. And yes, the increase I think is may try to increase a little, but not much, before it tries to drop again. The RSI, which was overbought on the monthly charts, now has again come down. Probably it may try to hit the oversold levels. So considering this, let me give you the trading levels for next. And before I give you the trading levels, if you like and appreciate my effort, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Also, you can join my mentorship batch, and where the strategy is taught and the methodology provided will definitely help you become a proficient and efficient trader. This is going to be a 15-day course with 90 minutes daily live sessions. And yes, you can reap the benefits throughout your life. This is just a one-time investment. Reach out to me for more details. Reach out to me via telegram or email. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details of. So also you can join my free telegram channel there. The links are mentioned in the description. Now let's have a look where to go long. First, let's see, one can go long at 11,950 here, and it can try to go back till towards 12,050 and 12,100. It is going to get a stronger resistance at this zone at 12,100. If it breaks past, directly it will land to 12,280, and if this is taken, that I will expect it to hit 12,500. Now again I'll give you the levels 12,600. So this zone, first, that 12,100 should provide a very strong resistance for any upward move. If that is taken, then these levels at 12,280, see, these are all stronger resistance levels, and till 12,600 I will not consider this as reversal. I will not consider that this is bullish, and beyond 12,600 only one can expect that this is going to rise further till towards 13,000. After that, one can stay long. If anything happens, even if despite the drop, it will continue to rise till towards 13,000 and 13,500 levels. If not this week, but next week also, this is also applicable. On the downside, if you see it trading in fact below 11,770, here itself one can go short. One can expect that it is going to hit 11,650, 11,500. These are the two levels, and then 11,400. These are the three levels. Till 11,400 we may see that it can try to reverse a bit, but below 11,400 one can definitely remain short for 11,180 and 11,000. Rather, this time it is going to be 10,970 levels, which it may try to achieve before it looks forward to any reversal. There is a probability that it can drop strongly for first 2 days before it looks forward to a reversal towards the end of the week, or yes, it can sustain the drop till towards first 4 days, and then the last trading day it may try to reverse strongly or rise strongly, because that is going to be the monthly expiry also, and then resume the bull run for next to next week. That is what, or the resume the you can say retracement for next to next week, taking it again back to towards 12,000, 12,600 and 13,000 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Remember, the volatility is high, and yes, you have to always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Let the trade get closed on cost, and at least it will not eat out your capital. If you have capital, you can take multiple trades, but these are volatile times. If you lose the capital, you will not be able to gain it again. So trade accordingly, keep shifting your stop loss and trade profitably. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.